5 pesos coin in this machine, and then you can wash your bike. 5 pesos for water and 5 pesos for detergent of washing. Kuya, magkano po washing yun? Magkano? Washing machine? Bike, magkano? Coin? 5 pesos. Para tubig? 5 pesos para soap. Oh, thank you po. There are a lot of mango trees in the area because too much raining here in the Philippines and hot weather. Mostly 10 months in a year it's a hot weather. So hot weather supports mango, fruits and trees. So there is a lot of mango trees with mangoes. Vegetable shop, coffee shop. It opens usually in the evening or in night, maybe. I don't know exactly. This is a local food shop. People are used to eat food shops like this in 50 pesos, 45 pesos, 55 pesos. One time meal. It's very economical for them because they had to eat 3 times out. There is no culture to cooking food in their houses because everybody is working guy. Here the male, female both work. So that's why they usually eat outside. And it is economical for them also. It's a bike service area. You have to put 5 pesos coin in this machine and then you can wash your bike. 5 pesos for water and 5 pesos for detergent of washing. Kuya, magkano po washing yun? Magkano? Washing machine? Bike, magkano? Coin? 5 pesos. Para tubig? 5 pesos para soap. Oh, thank you po. Yeah, they are confirming, this guy confirming that 5 pesos for water and 5 pesos for soap. And you can wash your bike in 10 pesos only. In Indian currency it will be I think 8 rupees Indian or 7.5 Indian rupees, and in Pakistani currency it will be 50 rupees Pakistani. But it is still cheaper than Pakistan or India because in Pakistan they usually take 100 rupees to 150 rupees for bike service, washing bike with soap and water. Here it is still cheap. See how much big trees are these, because there is a charges. If you cut in Philippines, if you are cutting your tree, you had to get the permission. First you have to get the permission from barangay. Then you have to tell the species of the tree you are cutting. Then they will allow you to cut the tree. Then you have to hire somebody. They will come and cut the tree, and they will remove the all clutter because you cannot leave the tree after cutting on streets or something like that. So it will cost you one tree, it will cost you 40,000 pesos, 30,000 pesos. But usually in Pakistan and India, the person who cut his own tree, he will get paid by the person who buy the tree after cutting. But here you have to pay for the cutting of the tree. That's why here people are not cutting their trees, and they are becoming so big. Too much big trees here. because too much money costs if you cut one tree with the permission of barangay, like this office, barangay office. See the size of trees, too much big trees here, but nobody can afford 40,000 or 50,000 pesos just for the tree in their houses, because economical condition is not that much good here. So you earn so little to spend your life. You cannot spend these money on cutting trees or something like that, no? That's why people leave the trees, let them grow, and after in storm or typhoon, if it gets down, they complain to the barangay office, and then they come and they remove the tree from the streets or something like that. It's not your liability then. Yeah, I think it's a much informative vlog about the area today. This is the OK. They call it Okay. It's OK shop. Used clothes from Hong Kong, Bangkok, cities, countries like that. They bring it here in containers and then they resell it in very cheap money, because people who wants to buy these, it will cost them very cheap. So, and for the today's vlog, we'll meet you soon, very soon. Take care. And one request, first time I am requesting this in my vlog, please subscribe my channel, because 90% people are watching without subscription. Please subscribe. Whoever watch, and if you like my videos, if you like my style to describe you the area, so it's a right to get a subscription or a like on video. So please do this, and I will bring more and more videos for you. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.